Now, earlier tonight, I talked with Georgia Republican Congressman Tom Price on Capitol Hill. He tried to stop this lame duck session from happening at all. Congressman, you tried over the summer to get the House to agree not to convene for this lame duck session. The Democrats didn't go along. How do you feel about it now?
Well, this is exactly what we predicted, and that is that we'd have a remarkable election. The American people spoke on November 2nd in a big way that said they don't like the direction of the country. And then we were concerned about the lame duck, this time where we are right now, where you have a Democrat majority in the House of Representatives with big numbers attempting to vote on major pieces of legislation against the will of the American people.
The Democrats are going to force a vote on extending the Bush tax cuts only for people who make less than that $250,000. What's going to happen on that score?
Well, actually, they're going to vote to increase taxes on the American people, many people in America, as well as American small businesses. That's what's going to happen tomorrow, is that they're going to vote to increase taxes on many Americans and American small businesses. That's not what the American people voted for on November 2nd. What we believe is that every single American ought to have the assurance that their taxes are not going to go up. Every single American business ought to have the assurance that their taxes aren't going to go up.
Congressman Price, what happens if the Democrats move the line for extending the tax cuts to $1 million, say, as some Democrats have suggested? Would that make it more difficult for Republicans not to compromise?
No, look, Russ, this is the classic divide and conquer mentality of the left. And that's not what the American people want. What they understand and what we understand is that raising taxes on any American or any American business in this time of economic challenge is foolishness.
Now, some Democrats, like Dick Durbin, for example, have said they will extend all the tax cuts if Republicans agree to extend federal unemployment benefits, which have now started to expire for some of the long-term unemployed. What are the chances of that happening in your estimation, sir?
Well, look, these aren't tax cuts. What we're talking about is the current tax rates in this country. They believe that taxes ought to increase. We believe that taxes ought to stay the same or go down. And tying it to unemployment insurance is, again, one of the wonderful games that Washington plays. And it's wrong.
Well, sir, what about unemployment insurance? As you know, it's starting to expire now for thousands of people in Georgia. What are Republicans going to do about this? Anything?
Well, yeah, the best solution to unemployment is a job. And what we need to do is get the policies in place that will allow individuals to get back to work.